Join our new, simpler, free room where we break down the foundations of our trading for those who are looking to gain financial freedom in the markets. Check out Simpler Stream Week from June 21st to the 23rd for live market analysis. And guess what? It's all free right here on YouTube.
Hello and welcome to the Fibonacci free video for Monday, June 13th. This is David, and we will be taking a look at Amazon today, which with the market sell-off came down to, or at least within a few pennies of, this 101.56 Voodoo fireline. Not only that, it's really our third visit to this spot since we first came down here in May, or in our first visit down from the all-time high back at the Voodoo Voodoo tree line, the second most important of our Voodoo line levels, which was made back here in late 2020, right? And then from there, it's been working its way downward, finally finding its way to this fire line, the most important of the Voodoo line levels. So look, which side of this level Amazon decides to stay on is probably going to give us a lot of information. But we may need to wait a little bit before we have an answer, right? So we did bounce modestly intraday from that level, and we could bounce more, as we'll talk about when we get to the premium video. There are some signs that this could be a spot that the market at least bounces from, if not puts together a bigger rally. Here in Amazon, it would minimally take a move back above this first tree line above us at 122.19 and support above that level to think that that it was really getting its mojo back. But this, again, being an important level, we could see a bounce from here. Of course, if any bounce, especially if it stays under important levels above us, just takes out that 101.56 and finds resistance below us, then that would be a bad sign. And as Amazon is heavily weighted in the indices, perhaps a bad sign for the market broadly. And if we factor into this the idea that it is unusual to see a triple bottom, that might be a sign that that with or without more of a bounce, that this level might give way. So pay attention to this 122.19 if we do bounce more, and to 109.44 and 114.31 between here and there, to see if this name can get something constructive going. But as I said, if 101.56 lets go, particularly if we find resistance below it, then I think it may be look out even further below for Amazon, which has been having a hard time getting something going for over a year now. That's what I have here for you this evening. And until I see you at the next update, as always, good trading. Hey, David here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, please help us out. Click the like button. You can also add your comments below. We love to read those and respond to them. You can also click the bell icon. That will alert you whenever we have new and updated videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time with our own money, you can visit simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. Until I see you again, as always, good trading, and we'll see you at the next video.